In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trades on Exness. If you want to follow experienced traders instead of placing every trade manually yourself, the copy trading feature on Exness can make that process much easier. The key is to choose a strategy carefully and make sure your funding is ready before you invest. To begin, go to your Exness personal area and sign into your account. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts, funds, and platform features. Once you're inside, look for the copy trading section and click on it. This will take you to the area where available strategies are listed. Now, take some time to explore the active strategies. This part is important because you should not rush into choosing the first option you see. Review the historical profit percentage to get a sense of past performance, but remember that past results do not guarantee future performance. Also, look at the maximum drawdown, since this shows how much the strategy has declined from its peak, which can help you understand the level of risk involved. You should also check the risk level and the performance fee because these affect both your comfort level and your potential returns. Before creating an investment, make sure you have enough funds available in your investment wallet. If your balance is too low, you'll need to transfer funds or make a new deposit using one of the available payment methods. It's a good idea to confirm the amount you want to allocate in advance so you can avoid interruptions during the setup process. Once your wallet is funded, click on the strategy you want to follow. This will open more details about that strategy, and from there, select Create Investment. This is the step where you begin linking your funds to that trader's strategy. Next, enter the amount you want to invest. Try to choose an amount that fits your overall risk management plan rather than committing more than you're comfortable with. After entering the amount, complete the required security validation. This verification step helps protect your account and confirms that the action is authorized. When everything looks correct, confirm the investment. After confirmation, your investment will be created and the copy trading setup will be active based on the selected strategy. From there, you can monitor performance directly from your account and keep track of how the strategy is doing over time. And that's how to copy trades on Exness.